This is a quick video of instructions to show you how to track signups inside Planet 4. Today we're going to cover two topics. The first one is how we're able to track different types of forms, let's say a newsletter subscription or a petition signup. And the second one is how we're going to track the global campaigns. So before starting, remember that all of the documentation is also updated in the handbook, so if you have any doubts, please check out this page. So let's say that you're creating a new page which will include an Engage Networks form block. The one most important thing to do is to select the purpose of this form. So inside the backend you will see the goal field and you can select between petition signup, action alert and contact form. This will help us to define the event on Google Analytics. And also if this is a campaign page, it's extremely important to include the campaign informations as well. So you will find here below on the right a box which is called campaign information, where you can select the campaign, the baskets and the scope. So let's make now a quick live test. If I sign up here, this is the form that we were setting up on the back end. You will see that we have a data layer event that was fired called a petition signup. This event will be fired whenever you have a form submission inside Planet 4, regardless of the goal. The goal is actually going to set up the event category. So we can see here that this is the contact form, which we have selected on the backend. And also if we go to our real-time reports, we can see that we have right now here a sign-up contact form for local campaign. Let's say, for example, that we want to change this and make it as an ocean sanctuaries campaign. This is oceans and this is global, and here I want to make it as a petition sign-up. Let's make this test again and see what happens. So again, the same petition sign-up data layer event was fired because this is our trigger, but actually the category is now petition sign-up, and we can see here in our real-time reports that we have a new sign-up as for petitions. So the first thing that you need to do inside our Tag Manager container is to make sure that you have the data layer variables created. So you can follow this documentation on the handbook. We need to create 5 different data layer variables according to those values here. So we have basket, campaign, department and scope. They're very easy to create. You just have to define here the variable name. So after that, we need a trigger that will be reading the data layer event, and this is the Planet 4 petition signup. So you can see that this is a very simple trigger based on a custom event petition signup. This is what we were seeing on the Google Tag Manager debug mode. And the only special detail is that this trigger should fire only on some custom events based on the page URL. You can use the regex rule to define your Planet 4 URL here. So let's say Brazil or Belgium. Last thing that you need to do is to create the event tag, which will send the event to your Google Analytics property. So we have created here this form submission tag. You can see that this is a very simple event tag. And we are only asking to use the same standard. So we are using the goal field to define the category. So we will be able to see contact form or petition signup here. And as action, we are selecting the campaign name, and as label, we are selecting the scope. And of course, you need to fire this tag with the Planet 4 trigger that you have just created. So with this setup in place, you'll be able to track different types of form submissions in your website and also different types of campaigns and baskets.